I just can't believe we have something this lovely in stock so early in the season. Hi, I'm Sham, here from the Waterside Holiday Group, and today I am at Osmington Mills Country Club and Lodge Park. I want to show you this stunning 2016 42 foot long by 22 foot wide 2-bedroom lodge. And I am starting this video here because I want you to see the 2-car drive that you have access to before going into the lodge. So this is your allocated parking space, a little spot there where other cars can turn. You only have one lodge that goes past you here, so you are at the end of this stunning cul-de-sac. So starting with this decking that you have, this is over 10 foot wide all along the side of the holiday home. You then have this huge space at the front. One of my favorite features of this lodge is it is south facing. So you have the sun that rises on your left at the east and sets on your right. So you have sun around this area all day long. Here at Osmington, you've got so many lovely countryside walks. The first thing you see in this entrance is a space to take off your shoes, take your jackets off, sort yourselves out before physically walking into the lodge. And you have this space where you can put away dog leads, any other bits you might have been carrying, some really good storage here, as well as your washing machine and your boiler. The reason I wanted to tell you a little bit about this right now is because you've got so many more things in the kitchen that I will run you through very shortly. The first thing you notice when you walk into this lodge is this enormous space. I love the height of the ceilings. I love how open plan the lounge is with this 6-seating dining table. And you can also see here how you could be cooking up dinner. You could even be washing dishes and still be involved with everybody in the room. We also have 2 lovely sofas, one of them being a pull-out sofa bed. This holiday home does sleep 6 easily. I wanted to start this video with all the nets closed. I want you to see how lovely the feeling is in this lodge. You can really switch off, feel like you're in the middle of nowhere and fully relax. But on the flip side, I'm going to open these nets and show you how open this stunning lodge is. So your first sliding door taking you out to your massive 10 foot plus wide decking. You've got one door this way, then you've got another door leading you out onto your front decking. Double doors, both open, lovely, spacious, fresh air. And then you've got the one from the dining area as well. You've got double doors and this lovely big window letting in lots of light. Now that I've shown you how you can take the inside out and bring the outside in with your lovely enclosed area, safe for dogs and children, I want to show you this media wall where you can have a cozy night in. You've got your electric fireplace, lovely space for a telly, and then you can have additional sound bars and things as well. You have got ceiling speakers, so to really give you that nice family atmosphere, you can have the music on while you're just going about your day. Now I'm going to show you this kitchen, and there is a lot to take in. You have got every accessory that you can think of that you would like in a nice kitchen. So you start with your wine cooler. We've got a fridge and freezer, also a slimline dishwasher. You've even got a coffee machine. You have your gas cooker hob, and then you've got a grill and oven combi with a built-in microwave. This kitchen gives you everything you need and more with plenty of storage. Now, as we come to the back of the lodge, on your first door on the right, you've got your family bathroom, a large bathtub, overhead shower, and a wash hand basin with really good storage. Now I'm taking you to the back of the lodge where I'm going to show you this massive second bedroom. You have got 2 full-size single beds. You can push them together and make them a super king. You've got one wardrobe in place already. You can have additional drawers, and you've already got a space for a TV as well if you want us to fit one for you. Now, coming out of the second bedroom into the master, you come into this king size double bed. You've got a really nice vanity space there with a TV point if you want a telly in the bedroom. And then wait until you see this walk-in wardrobe and your own ensuite with shower. You have your very own private shower, toilet, and wash and basin. I hope you have enjoyed this detailed tour of this lodge, but I would love for you to come down to the park, get a feel for how nice and relaxed it is here, and see this in person. Give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.